Hi, everyone, and welcome to Ignite Website Marketing. This is your channel where you'll learn web design, SEO, and digital marketing tips that will help you ignite your website marketing so you can get new leads for your business. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can make money with digital marketing and different ways you can do that with a website. So let's get rolling. How can you make money using digital marketing and a website? Well, there are many ways, and with everything that all the technology online and everything that is happening with the internet today, lots of people are using their website to make money. And I want to show you guys different ways you can make money using your website so you can promote whatever it is you want to do, sell whatever you want to sell, or whatever it is. So the first way to make money using your website in digital marketing is having a website for your own personal business. Now, no matter what type of business you have, you can use your website to get new leads for you. And you can do this by applying certain marketing strategies and psychology type principles to your website that will lead a visitor through the page and make them take action. There's many different elements that could help you get leads for your business when your visitors land on your website. And a lot of businesses these days have a website to help get them leads, and they have it for many things. So you say you're a restaurant like that, you can order online, so people can go to a restaurant online if they don't want to eat in the restaurant, and they can place orders online. Another way is like if you run like a home service type of business, you can have like call to actions on your websites or forums that people can fill out so they can get a hold of you, and then you can follow up with them later to do whatever service they need. And this can apply to many things, like if you're a photographer, if you're just a local like small coffee shop, if you're like a life coach, no matter what business you're doing. So that's one way you can make money. It's just having like a simple business website that will help you generate new leads for your business. And in later videos, we're going to go more into detail about how we can do that for your business. So you don't want to miss out on that. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Another way you can make money utilizing a website is having an e-commerce store. If you have some products that you want to sell online, there's many people out there who are willing to buy like certain products, and you got to figure out, okay, what is it you want to sell? What type of products are trending, online? What are people buying a lot of these days online? Does someone have a need for your product, or does your product provide like a solution for whoever needs your product? So you can utilize like an e-commerce store that will function as like a store, and so people just go on your website, they can place orders, and then you fulfill those orders and send them merchandise, and they get the product. So a lot of if you go to like if you just Google I'm working on a website right now for someone who's selling hair pieces and extensions, and that person has a lot of hair pieces and different bundles he wants to sell online. And so like I'm doing is posting all these different products for him, and just setting it up so it becomes a functional store that people can use to like shop and buy goods and services. So we're going to go more into detail too on this, as far as like how to figure out like what type of products are trending, and try to get you to think what products would you want to sell to your target market. So we'll figure out like all that, how to get you to like figure out, okay, where can I what is it that I want to sell? Is there a need for the product? how is this product going to help people and why am I going to do this? We'll help you gain some clarification on that in a later episode. Another way you can make money is through becoming a YouTuber and a blogger. Say you're very passionate and knowledgeable about something, and you can just set up a website and where you can post blogs on whether it be traveling, dating, wellness, spirituality, whatever it is, and you drive people to that blog, and they can read your blog, and then on your blog you can also like sell certain types of products or provide like consultations, whatever it is you want to do. That's something you got to figure out on that website when you get traffic to the website. And you can also utilize, if you have a YouTube channel and you want to go, do some video vlogging on a certain thing, and then, lead people from YouTube to your website from YouTube. And when people land on your website, you can have different products or services that you want to sell. So I'm going to show you guys in a later episode as well, like, if you're interested in getting started with YouTube, so you can vlog or do whatever it is you want to talk on YouTube, and then show you through the process of how to go about doing your YouTube videos and just getting traffic to your website from your YouTube channel. And I mean, this is a lot of people are doing this these days, where they're just doing YouTube channels, they're creating content and providing services on the side. And another thing you can do, when you're blogging too, you can also utilize affiliate marketing, where you can go to certain websites and become an affiliate and sell a product for someone. I know Amazon, they have affiliate links where if someone purchases a certain product from your website, you get a percentage of whatever it is the affiliate credit is. So definitely a very good tool to use when you're blogging. Say, I know this one guy who's a dating coach, and he talks about certain topics and everything, and in his blog he'll have links to certain books, and then if someone visits his website and reads the blog and decides, well, hey, this book, it seems relevant to what this guy's talking about, and it's going to help me learn more about whatever this skill he wants me to learn. Say that someone purchased that, he gets a percentage of whatever the affiliate price is when he made the arrangement. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then finally, another way you can make money online is just utilizing affiliate marketing. I just spoke about this not too long ago. You can just have a website where you just kind of talk about a particular niche area topic, whatever it is your niche is, and figure, when you're doing this, you want to figure out something you're very passionate about and is trending online, so you can make the money and deal with the process of having success with affiliate marketing on your website. So what you can do is you can just say you're very passionate about fitness and health or self-development. You can write blogs on your website that talk about a certain thing, and then mention certain products or books that people might need that will help them on their journey. Or, you can just promote the products themselves as they are. And you can then, again, you get a certain percentage of whatever it is the affiliate credit is. So yeah, it's something there's a lot of ways to make money online. Just by these three topics I brought up today. And if you learn how to do this process, which I'm going to show you all in these next couple of video series I'm doing. I might step out and do a separate video, but I'm planning to do this for the next 4 or 5 videos. But if you follow the process that I'm going to show you, it will help you figure out you can do, how to set everything up, how to utilize search engine optimization to get organic traffic to your website, how to utilize YouTube to get traffic to your website, how to set up different type of affiliate links or programs so you can make money that way. And there's a lot to this, and we're gonna start out by talking about like just having you guys be clear on your message, on like what it is you want to do, and help you to develop a brand, and then from there we'll go into like the website design and certain things you want on your website. You need to have on your website to make it easy for the visitors to navigate your website and make so they can do whatever it is you want to do when they land on your website. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and then from there I'm going to show you like some digital marketing strategies such as capturing emails, just doing some affiliate marketing, so you can like promote products on your websites and get a certain percentage of that profit from if someone buys the product from the website, your website. And then from there, I'm going to show you too how just to promote the website online so you can get traffic as well. So you're going to get like the organic traffic. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do more of the digital marketing utilizing like social media and other tools that the internet has to offer. So thank you very much, everyone. And thank you again. And we're going to, if you haven't already, please subscribe below and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out in the algorithm, and I really like doing what I do. So if you like what you see, please support the show by doing this, because I hope to be doing this for a while, because I really want to help you guys make money utilizing your website. I'll catch you on the next video.